This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable airplane mode on an iPhone. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my iPhone opened up now. To enable or disable airplane mode, the first thing you want to do is open up the Settings app. My Settings app is right here. I'm going to tap on it. And then once you have the Settings app opened up, you scroll down just a little ways, and right here is my airplane mode. It'll be in the general area where your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and all that's in. But as you can see, mine is toggled off currently. But to enable it, you would just tap on that toggle. The toggle will turn green. It will be enabled. To turn it off, you just tap on it again. That is how to enable or disable airplane mode on an iPhone. Thanks for watching.